Oh, what is this that I'm drinking? Stick around and find out. Fellas, welcome back. It's Robert, your everyday gentleman. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make a michelada. Michelada is basically kind of like a Bloody Mary with a beer as opposed to vodka or gin or something like that. So there's a couple of different ways that you can make this drink. Obviously you can get, a glass, a beer mug, something like that, something like a 16 or a 20 ounce. You can also get these cheap little ready-made glasses, ready-made cups that come with the sauce. You can see the rim already has a Tajin on it. And then it comes with this little mix that you can put inside the beer too. This is a quick and easy way to do it, but we're not doing that today. We're gonna do a more authentic version today, but these cups still come in handy because obviously they're a nice size. They already have, the seasoning on the rim, and they're perfect for when you're gonna be by the pool, which is what I'm about to do. But before I get into it, if you're new to my channel, I wanna welcome you. If you're interested not only in beer recipes, but also things like men's style, fragrance, fitness, grooming, whiskey, cigars, and other topics for the everyday man, then this might be the place for you. Consider subscribing and joining the growing EG family. And if you're already a member, I want to thank you for your continued support. And without further delay, let's get this beer ready. Okay, so there's a couple things that you're going to need. First off, you're going to need a cup. This is what the cups come like. There's different brands. This is a Micheladas Antojitos, ready to go. Like I said, it comes with the seasoning inside, but we're not going to use that. So what you're going to need is the Tajin. This is typically what you use as your seasoning that goes around the rim. Obviously this is already rimmed, so we're not going to do that. You can also use chamoy or lemon to wet the rim to get some of that seasoning stuck on there. Again, it's already seasoned, so we're not going to use a chamoy, but later I'll be using this. You're also going to need some lemon or some lime. You can use a fresh squeezed lime, or you can use some of this ready squeezed lemon juice, whichever you prefer. You need some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. You need some of this stuff. You can use soy sauce, or you can use this Maggi seasoning. Obviously some Clamato. This is a prepared Clamato. I'm not going to be using this one. You can use traditional Clamato, or if you don't like the clam juice, you can also just use regular tomato juice. Some spice. You need some tapatio because obviously this is like a Bloody Mary. And then of course you need your beer. Today we're using Pacifico. A lot of people use Modelo. I prefer Pacifico. Whatever you prefer to use, go with that. And then the last thing, you can add some ice to it. It's a hot day. This helps to keep it cool. All right, so let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is add about 4 ounces of the Clamato. That'll do it. Then you're gonna add a little bit of the Worcestershire sauce. Same with the Maggi. And as you do this, you're kind of gonna get a feel for what you want to do, what you like, what you don't like, and just kind of adjust it. You obviously add more tapatio, more spice, depending on how spicy you want it. And then obviously the lemon too, the last thing before the ice goes in there. I like a good amount of lemon in there. And the last thing we're doing is the beer. And actually, before I add the beer, I'm gonna put the ice in there. So here we go with the beer. Obviously, just like anytime you pour a beer, tilt the glass so you don't get as much suds action. Got that ready to go. You just stir it up a little bit, get it all mixed up. It's ready to serve.
Alright, now if you're adding the chamoy, really all you need to do is just dip the rim of the cup in the chamoy, spin it around a bit, make sure you get a nice coating of it on the rim. And then you just take that, dip it in the Tajin, make sure the Tajin covers the chamoy well, and you're good to go. And obviously you can add as little or as much as you want.
All right, so now you just take a drink and enjoy your beer. That's really good. Now, obviously, if you've been around this channel for a while, you know I'm a whiskey guy. But in the summertime, whiskey is good and all, but a beer is very refreshing. And when you drink it this way, it's that much better. I don't drink these all the time, but it is good to have a couple of them here and there just to make things a little bit different. So give it a shot. If you do, make sure you put that in the comments down below. Let me know. If you also have your own recipe of a michelada, make sure you share that down at the bottom. I'm always looking to tweak it a little bit, see if there's anything I can do to, improve the recipe. But this way that I've done it is pretty good. People seem to like it. Now, as always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you let me and YouTube know by hitting that like button. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you catch all future videos. And remember, being a gentleman is an everyday thing. See you in the next one, fellas. And cheers.
We bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be.